this and the alphabet.
You're gonna go down this one now?
Okay. I'm watching you, honey. Yeah,
then we're gonna go on the bumpy one. The bumpy one is very high. You wanna go down on your hands? With your hands? You wanna hang on this one? Wow. Look at that.
That was very good power.
Here, Louise. He's fine.
This is very good. Yay.
There you go.
There you go. Good job.
Alright. Okay, now
Nice.
Okay, you wanna come on this one? And then we'll go on the bumpy one.
Okay. I'm watching you. Let's see it. Whoa.
Okay, let's go show her how we do the bumpy one. Here, Mike, it's over here now. By the rocks, remember? It's way over there. Here.
Okay, then we're going to go in the swimming pool because I think it's warm enough. Let's go. I think the pool will be open. Alright, let's see the bumpy one.
No,
Yes.
go that way. Go, come this way. Go that way. This one you go up. You don't go down. Go that way. No, go the other way. Go right there. There's a slide. Go, look, right there. Slide.
Probably an hour.
Let me first. I gotta get it.
Oh, wait, my
Oh.
honey?
He's asking them.
You asked him. Okay.
Okay, oh, let the little boy, that boy will go.
He's waiting.
Michael, do not touch him. Thank you.